What is up, everybody? Zadius Tech here, back again with another PS4 related video. As some of you may have heard, PS4 system software update 9.00 just came out a few days ago, and already a bunch of people have been messaging me on YouTube saying that it messed up their PS4, they can't do anything on it. So let's take a look at my PS4. I just fire it up, and then sure enough, when I try to play any of my games, I get this message saying I need to update the system software to use network features. And what a lot of people are complaining about is that they can't even play their offline games. So their single player games, Last of Us 2, I should be able to play that offline without having to be online. But look, here we go. I'm getting the same message. Pretty much any game I try here, it doesn't work. So if I go to my network settings and I go ahead and test my internet connection, you're gonna see here, it's actually gonna give me an error saying that it can't sign me into the PS4 PlayStation Network. So you see it failed right there, and it has CE-42747-4. If you're getting this error too, that means that your PS4 has been signed out from your account, and you can't do anything until you update the PS4 system software update to the latest version, which is 9.00. So let's go ahead and take a look, and I'm going to show you guys how you can go ahead and update your PS4 to 9.00. So go ahead and go to settings, and then you're going to go down to system software update, hit the X on there, and you see here that the following version is available. So it's been added to my downloads. So it's going to take a little while to download, but you can go ahead and press next, and when you hit update, it's going to show you that it's downloading the file. Once it's done downloading the file, you can go ahead and proceed to install system software update. Just be aware that some people are having problems where the system software update fails, and pretty much with every system software update there's a chance that your PS4 might fail, and there's different ways to fix it. So let's take a look to see if 9.00 is safe to install. But for those of you that the system software 9.00 doesn't work, I will give you guys some tips and possible solutions for you to solve that, and some things I've come across that maybe you don't know about or you haven't heard about that can help you out. So here we go, it's downloading, and we're going to go ahead and finish this up, and it will actually restart your PS4 after the installation. So this is where a lot of problems happen. It doesn't restart properly and the update fails. So let's take a look. It's preparing to install, and here we go. Right, here we go, we're about 95%, and it's going to go ahead and proceed to install the system software update 9.00. It's going to restart your PS4, totally normal. So let's see if this goes through, or if I encounter a problem, if I'm one of the unlucky ones where it fails, but we'll see right now. So this should give you an indication of whether it's kind of safe to install or not, but again, some of you it's just going to cause problems no matter what. But I will talk about why the software update can fail on your PS4, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so here we go. It's actually installing the PS4 system software update. It's actually going pretty fast, so hopefully we get through this. And I got 9.0 update, and I can play my offline and online games. So let's take a look. Right, we see the PS logo. That's a good sign. So let's see if we see the blue home screen. That's what we want to look for. And we'll see right now, rebuilding database, that's for normal. And here we go, installed software version 9.00, installed fine. Now let's take a look. And now for some reason your controller doesn't work, go ahead and connect it with the USB charging cable that came with your PS4. If you don't have it, just make sure that the USB cable you're using also supports data. If you don't have a USB cable that supports data, I will leave one in the description down below, and that will kind of sync up your controller so that it works. I've seen that happen sometimes after a system software update. So let's go ahead and try a game. For example, I should be able to play Last of Us Part 2, and here we go. All Alright, so Last of Us 2 looks like it's working just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. And let's try one more game, an online game. Let's try Fall Guys. So sure enough, that loads no problem this time once you have System Software Update 9.00. Alright, so there we go, Fall Guys works just fine. So it looks like this is a required update in order for you to play pretty much any game on your PS4. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up. Now, for those of you that can't install this System Software Update 9.00, there's many reasons why not, but one of the most common reasons is if you get error code CE-42118-6, then that means that there's a problem with your Blu-ray disc drive. So if you know that you haven't been able to insert disc and it doesn't read disc, your PS4 doesn't read any of your game disc, then what happens when the PS4 tries to install PS4 System Software Update, it actually does a check on your Blu-ray disc drive to see if it's actually working. If it finds that it's not working, it will not let you install the PS4 System Software Update. So if you guys want to know how you can fix that problem, check out this video up here, and that'll walk you through some of the things that you can do to fix that problem. Now, sometimes the update just fails for any given reason. Maybe the power went out or something happened in the middle of the System Software Update installation. Then there's some steps you can take to fix that problem. And a lot of them involve going into safe mode. And there's different options that you can do. Some are very easy and don't delete any of your data. However, if you try those and they don't work, if you want to get your PS4 System Software Update, you will have to pretty much reset your PS4 to factory reset. That's going to pretty much wipe everything on your hard drive. But again, I'm going to talk to you about some of the fixes that allow you to keep your data. Try those first, of course, and then if not, then you're going to have to pretty much wipe your PS4 and load the PS4 System Software Update again. So for a video on that, check out in your top right now, you're going to see a video that comes up. It's a comprehensive video that pretty much covers all the fixes that you can do with safe mode for your PS4 to get it back up and running. So I hope this video helps you out, and hit like and subscribe. I'm probably going to do some more videos on System Software Update 9.00 and try to talk about some of the fixes in case you run into any problems. So I'll catch you guys next time. See you then.